How to download League of Legends on PC and laptop for free. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can download League of Legends on PC and laptop. In order to do this procedure, first of all, check your internet connection, open up a browser, and on the web address bar type in www.leagueoflegends.com. You can also find the link on my description box below as well. So first of all, you need to create an go ahead and tap on play for free, which is right at the bottom. It's going to take you to the page where it's going to ask you to provide in your email address for the sign up process. Now quickly enter in the information that's asked. Then you will be asked to provide in the date of birth for the verification of your age. Click on the next button located right at the bottom. Since you're creating it, it's mandatory to create a password as well as the username. For the confirmation, you need to type in your password twice and make sure to go through the terms and conditions as well at the same time. Once you're done, click on the next button. Now you'll need to download. For that, click on download for Windows right at the bottom. Now once the file is downloaded, click on the download button and then locate the folder. Now you'll need to run the installation. Double tap on the file that is being recently downloaded. Now it's being installed, so click on the install button once again. So this is going to take a while. Now you'll need to sign in. So for that, type in the user you've recently set. Once I've done that, it's going to take you or direct you to the League of Legends page where you'll be able to see that you've successfully created an account. In this way, you can download League of Legends on PC. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.